Hey everybody, in this video we have a 04 or 05 Kawasaki trunk lock. I wanted to do a video with the newish KW16 Lishi. I really wanted to find an ignition, but I haven't really came across one on eBay for a decent price, so we're going to go ahead and just go with the trunk lock. It's got all 6 wafers in it like the ignition does, so it's a okay substitute. And we're going to see if we can just pick and decode it here. The first thing we'll do is go ahead and insert the Lishi all the way in. And then these locks are single-sided, so you'll be having to pick going one direction. And we'll see if we can adjust the vise here, so we'll actually be able to read it here. So once I pick it, it's going to be not facing the camera anymore. But anyway, so first thing we'll do here is figure out. So we're going to be picking this direction. It's where the spring is. There's nothing on the other side of the lock. You're going to go ahead and apply tension, and like any other Lishi, just go through and look for something binding. And this lock is pretty sloppy, so you kind of put a lot of tension on it. Make sure we've got to click on 3, on 5, okay, click on 6, and you get a little rotation when something sets here, so you just got to increase your tension. Okay, it's binding here. I'm going to go ahead and let's just let off tension just a hair. So now we got that one set, and increase my tension again. I might have overset 2 possibly here. It's not springy, but it's also not binding. I'll let off tension a hair here and see if it springs back. Yeah, there it goes. 3 binding. Okay, 5. Okay, and we got it open there, so I did overset 2 slightly, so I just let off tension a little bit just to let it rotate back. And let me see if I can get this thing turned here to be able to actually read it. Alright, so hopefully now I'll be able to actually go ahead and read it here. Alright, so read it the same way we picked it, so we're going to have, it looks like 2, 1, 1. Never had to pick 4, so that's going to indicate that that's 4. And then I've got 2 and 2, so it's 2, 1, 1, 4, 2, 2 is our bidding on that. And go ahead and release it here. And then I already did cut a key to it as well. So there's the key for it. You can see it does work the lock here. Alright, so that's the KW16 Lishi, just picking and decoding a trunk lock. And it works on the ignition fine also. Sometimes it can read a little bit sloppy, so you might have to take a reading on the lock maybe twice if you're not sure when you cut it shallow, and just impression a little bit if it does read sloppy. I've had a couple ignitions read close enough to get a key to work perfectly. Just maybe took 2 tries, but it's always worked though. Since I've used it, I've probably done, I don't know, probably 5 or 6, maybe 7 of these motorcycles in the field. So anyway, if you guys have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. Check out the Lishi playlist on the screen too with all my other Lishi videos. And until next time, well, I'll talk to everybody later.